Good morning. Island Girl Tours recommended this spot. This is a little bakery called Rosie's Homestyle Bakery. We're gonna get some breakfast, probably something small because we got a big day of water activities coming up. So let's see what they got.
We have our traditional Trinidadian breakfast, which is bake. So it's a lot of bake to each. Smoked herring, saltfish. I saw corned beef, so I asked for that. And then sausages on the side. I don't know what type of sausages, but sausages. And then a little salad. And so I got Milo, which is a Jamaican tea. So I've never had it before. Let's try it. See, it's brown, so I thought it was gonna be like hot chocolate, but it's not. I'm not sure what it is. We'll see. Okay. I'm not sure how to tackle this. I'm gonna taste the sausage first. He said to get little sausage on the side. It's like Vienna sausages with a sauce. Ketchup, maybe? I'm not sure.
Herring?
Yeah, I think that's the herring. You putting a lot on there, you haven't tasted it.
Smoked herring. I put a little bit of salad. It's pretty good. The herring is it's good. The flavor comes through. The bake is like thicker and a little bit more like starchy. I don't know what the word for it is, but it's more bready.
I want to start with saltfish. You definitely know it's saltfish because it's saltier. It's really good. I don't know how to describe it. Umami. I'm not sure about Milo, whatever.
A nice big piece of saltfish.
And you like saltfish because you like fritters. What's it called? You like those fritters in Barbados.
Fish cakes.
And they're saltfish.
It's a lot more flavor in it. Like saltier, fishier flavor.
So it's a small place, definitely local. Locals come in and out. And it's buffet style, so there is a menu on the wall so you can see the different options. Then you just ask for what you want, how many bakes you want, and you put it on a plate, either to go or for here. And there also was pastries, so I think patties as well.
So in total for our meal, it costs $132 or $19.73 in US. It's just saltfish and bake, not saltfish and then bake. I mean, you ordered all of it.
Because I want to try a little bit of everything.
I didn't even contribute. Still tastes the same to me. It's not coffee. It's not tea. It's like some sort of hot chocolate hybrid thing.
That was a great breakfast. Very different to what we would normally have for breakfast, which is usually like sweet based breakfast or like eggs and bacon. But this was like fish and then corned beef is normal for us. But absolutely recommend coming to Rosie's Bakery. It's conveniently located in Crown Point and not too far from the beach if you want to use this to start your day and soak in the sun. They're from Trinidad and they gave me this drink. Taste it, sir.
Pretty good.
You know what it is?
No idea.
It's vodka and a ginger ale. You meet friendly locals and they get the party started before the party starts. Sean is hypnotized by the fish in the water.
Want to see all those?
Okay. Oh yeah, Glen Owl's Delight. So
Cash Cancel, as I say, and cash as well.
okay. And you're just around like the water.
No, but the water on a whole like so. Actually, the food that's serving is like cassava so far.
Okay.
All right. So other than that, around here, Nylon Pool is the main office. Other than Nylon Pool, I'm sorry, No Man's Land.
Okay.
Right. Other than there, we go to Pigeon Point, Strawberry, Mangrove, Boku, and all the beaches and environs
Okay.
closest to here.
Great.
Right? So a small line might see the boat, and
Yeah.
see the engine behind is very big. So it's a fast boat.
Fast boat. Okay.
Yes.
If you want alcoholic slushies, this is where you go, y'all.
Yes. Very nice.
Check them out. Blend Isles.
Delights.
Delights.
Right? Just look for the blender. With the
Yeah.
two flags.
Oh, look.
My wife is from Grenada.
Oh, I've
Right,
been to
so you
Grenada.
see-
I love Grenada.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
That's lovely. So as you see the mixture of the flags within the blender. So that's how you call the blenders. Right? So you see the Grenadian flag there, and then you see the Trinidad Tobago flag.
look
If
at
you want to get closer,
Yeah,
please.
look at that logo design. Did you design that?
Yes, I designed it myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Both my wife and I. But I came up with the idea.
You came with the idea.
How it is here.
Yeah.
I wanted it to be for us.
Our tour includes stops at the pristine Nylon Pool, majestic No Man's Land, and the refreshing lagoon. We hope you enjoy the ride and create lasting memories. Thank you for choosing us for your adventure.
As you just heard, our first stop is Nylon Pool. On our way to Nylon Pool, we had some more drinks and we hung out and relaxed a little bit. The view today was beautiful. We were lucky to be going on such a clear day. And it wasn't rough seas either, so it was pretty chill. There was another group with us that Christina had gotten a drink from earlier. But yeah, when we finally arrived to Nylon Pool, it was a lot of people there, and it looked like a full-on party in the middle of the ocean, which is very surreal to see. Of course, the Tiki Craft staff were very good at keeping us entertained and serving drinks. They were playing a lot of loud music and keeping the party going. So this is Nylon Pool.
Definitely a big ass pool. like the water's up to here, and it just goes for I don't know how much. Like a outdoor pool.
I guess it's just one big ass sandbar. So you can walk all the way around. There was a bunch of boats here before, but by the time we all got in the water, all the boats are gone. I'm sure more will turn up, but so we're gonna have burgers soon. But yeah, for now it's just a party.
Nylon Pool, they say when you bathe in Nylon Pool, they put the salt in your skin. You get 10 years younger.
I'm ready.
Some folks think it's a myth, but it's a feeling.
Is it? How old are you?
It's a feeling.
It's a feeling. It's a feeling, not a look.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. It's supposed to make you 10 years younger.
Not that, right?
Why is it not sand?
It's gold coral.
Yeah.
It's just the blue down coral. It's the same material. So it's like lumber. Same wood, right?
Yeah.
Good. So from the reef, coral breaks down. Brings up that.
Oh. Oh wait, it's different.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's sand, right?
Yeah, it's sand.
Decomposed coral. That feed on the coral, they produce about a ton of sand every day.
Yeah. Oh, poop? You put poop on your face?
Try it. But man, so you apply it, leave it for 2 minutes, then rinse off, okay?
Okay.
Put it anywhere you
The
want.
poop on your face.
Hell yeah. People do weirder things for beauty.
Rinse off after.
Born and raised in Trinidad and Tobago.
I lose 10
Which is
years here.
either Trinidad or Tobago
Okay, some more?
street shoes.
You have to leave it on for 10 minutes. You're gonna put it in your eye?
I can't even see.
Rinse it off.
But I need 10 full years.
Rinse it
I
off.
need
We gotta
8,
go.
9. I need 10 full years.
So it goes.
Everybody swears they got the fountain of youth. We're in no man's land, and we're gonna do a lap around the entire island.
Are we?
Yeah, we gotta work off that burger. It's silent. It feels like one of those islands that we stopped at Caracou.
This is where Trinidadians come to lime. What is liming, you said? So it's barbecue, chill, have a good time. It's a private island, just only accessible by boat. And so it's very small. And you'll see behind us some of the young, I think they're Trinidadian, but anyways, a group of young men. We're doing a race. We're trying to convince Sean to enter to represent America, but he said no. But you can come here, you can buy food, you can buy drinks. It's a little like pop-up shops, so pop-up places to eat.
Starts from Pigeon Point, comes all the way around back to this tree right here. Right?
Oh.
So this is the border called Lagoon. It's a protected area. No fishing, no excessive boating. Alright? This is where all the aquatic life spawn. And as they get older, make their way out into the open ocean. This channel.
Okay.
One way in, one way out. Right, so you can find all species of fish and other marine life, seagrass, you name it. Yeah?
And these are all mangroves?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. We went to the bird sanctuary in Trinidad. Yeah, Caroni. Yeah.
Again, so you saw the sun at Nylon Pool.
Yeah.
It looks this way, but it's not.
Oh, it's black.
Smell it, you might smell some of the sulfate kind of thing. Just hold it, nothing wrong.
So like Pitch Lake.
Similar. It's not much as the Pitch Lake.
Yeah.
Because of the salt
Yeah.
content. Due to the volcanic properties, it holds the warmth in this area. So it's most appropriate for the production of the life forms and stuff.
Yeah.
If you're not a good swimmer, don't venture too much into it. So depending on the current, it could get deep.
Yeah.
Depending on the wash of the current and so on. So you could see the depth going just there.
How far can you go?
I'm not lifeguarding today.
Nah, it's okay. He has good life insurance.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Yeah.
Is it warmer?
It is warm. Very warm.
But the drop is intense.
I don't know what's in these waters. You can't see nothing.
Yeah, right now it's a bit green because the fresh water from the Orinoco River washes up the Caribbean and covers the whole island. So you get a tint of green, eventually it gets totally no visibility. Then it starts clearing up, right?
So gorgeous.
So that's a species of seagrass. The different species, I can't name you all of them, but you can find them.
Are you from Tobago?
Yes, I am. So it takes a lot of research to get into all these details.
Yeah.
So it's a 2-3 feet to almost 15 feet just there.
Oh wow.
And
Because no one ever settles
we
here.
do expect no woman to pick up a man, right?
Because only women lived here. When there was the original tribe, it was a tribe of all women.
I don't know, but that. So your answers basically all reasonable. Yeah. The percentage of dry sand is very little.
Okay.
A vast area can be covered by water at any moment. It can be covered by water at any moment.
It could all flood.
Well, not flood, but disappear.
Disappear. Oh, so there's no land.
Exactly. No one owns it.
No land.
On that note, I see this going into the water.
What is it?
some sort of seagrass. I don't know about that. Our marine authorities are doing research about most of these seagrasses and the coral and stuff. Trying to maintain to bring it back to a high level of productivity.
Yeah.
And, you know.
We got ice cream from Soria's Cocktails.
Just a random spot we saw on our way. So I was like, that's the benefit of having a car. Right? You see something, you pull over and you get it. So I got cinnamon plantain.
And I got guava.
He said everything was homemade, freshly made, no preservatives. And then he said it was the #1 ice cream place in Tobago. Wow. That's definitely tastes like plantain. So much like plantain. How do you do that? Okay, we'll switch.
Yeah, it's guava.
Is it good though?
Tastes like guava for sure. That's pretty good.
You wish you would have got that one?
No.
Let me taste Sean's guava. It's pink. My plantain taste is overpowering. This is good. All right. So here's our sampler, which I'm glad we got to share. So we have bacon, eggs, 2 pancakes, French toast, a little salad, and saltfish. This is definitely enough for both of us.
I think this is one of the best bakes I've had so far. It's good.
Let's see if it's the best bake. Sean said it's the best one he's had so far. It's good. The saltfish is really good. It's different than yesterday's saltfish. That one was like darker.
Yeah. That's saltfish I'm more familiar with.
Then you have the traditional pancake, which these are like nice and fluffy. And they have a crispy edge, which I love my pancakes to have. Oh, let me try the French toast. There's cinnamon in it. Well, it's French toast, supposed to have cinnamon.
I took my first bite off camera, but these pancakes really are amazing.
That is the end of our time in Trinidad and Tobago.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.